today I am here to make a small review on some lenses that I got a few days ago in the post, and this review is going to be super short. So these lenses are called two-tone puffy brown, or I don't remember the name of this because it's really hard to remember, but I think they have so many names, and I think more than one circle lenses producer has produced these lenses, and I am wearing the one by Geo lenses. So I think these are called 3 puffy tones, so I will not remember, but I'll put it down in description box and also in the video somewhere. Anyways, I got these in 3 different colors. The one I'm wearing are the brown one, and the other one are green and gray one. And green ones are absolutely my favorite because I have been for so long time wanting to try green colors on how they will look like in my eyes, and they look absolutely gorgeous, except that they don't look that green in my eyes because my eye color is actually brown, so it has kind of grayish green kind of tone, but it's really cute and I really loving it. But I just want to try like super duper green colors. And the gray one, I haven't tried them, so I don't know yet how I feel about them, but I think I will review each one of them different to give you a little bit more information. So yeah, these are really, oh my god, these are really comfortable. Like seriously, I had a little bit of trouble putting this on because they are so soft, so it was a little bit hard to put them on. But after a while I got the idea of how to put them on, but I still don't know which side of the lens is the right side, so I just have to, put it on, and if it's wrong you'll notice because it slips easily from the eyes, and you can just turn it around and put it in the eyes, so no big deal. I love how it gives kind of crystalline kind of effect, which is really gorgeous, and it's super natural. I know it might not look that natural in the camera, but in real life it looks really natural and really great. So if you're someone who's into natural circle lenses or lenses, then these are really good for you. What else do I have to tell about this? Yeah, they are comfortable, they are not that big, that's why it's so natural. Like I think it's 14.5, I think so, I don't remember, but I'll put all the information down below in the description box. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this review, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.